how to remove the border from a shape in Google Slides on your PC. This is the quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to slides.google.com. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log in with your Google account. Now, you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. For this tutorial, I'll create a new blank presentation. Here you can find all the options. You need to enter a shape. To do this, go to the toolbar and click on Shapes. Then choose a shape from the drop-down menu. I'll select a rectangle for this example. Once your shape is inserted, click on it to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue handles around the shape. With the shape selected, go to the toolbar at the top and find the border line. Now click on the border color icon and select transparent. And that's it. The border is now removed from your shape. Let's quickly review the steps. Open your Google Slides presentation, insert a shape, select the shape, click on the border color and choose transparent. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.